Welcome to Brainbox. We'll now look at something about the reflection types, that is, types of reflection. So, here you need to remember one point. One reflection is regular deflection. The very first type we'll look at regular reflection. And regular reflection is one where the incident light, for example, whenever I am considering a boundary over here or a mirror surface over here, this is the mirror surface, and we'll just look at there is a parallel beam of light falling onto this. So let us say parallel rays are falling here. So this is one ray, this is the other ray, this is the third ray, which are parallel. These are the incident rays. Now, if at all it is reflected in such a way that the reflected rays are also parallel. See here, these are the incident rays, parallel beam of light here, and now these are also parallel. So, reflected rays. Whenever the reflected rays are also parallel, if parallel beam, that means a group of rays is called a beam. So number of parallel rays are falling on the boundary and getting reflected, then they will travel away from this into the same medium parallelly. Means whatever the parallel dimensions they are obeying here, if they are traveling with the same parallel dimensions over here, then you call it as a regular reflection. And the other type of reflection you have is irregular reflection. So you can call it as, the second type is called as irregular reflection. So generally the regular reflection is possible in case of the flat surfaces. So it's a flat surface. So this is a flat surface. On flat surface you can think of regular reflection. Unlike that, if you have the surface irregularly, so this is the irregular surface. That means it's a boundary which is not having the flatness on that. So this is the boundary. So here in this case, the reflected rays, for example, if at all a ray is reflected over here, then it will be a ray is incident over here is reflected in this manner. Similarly, when the same parallel ray, another parallel ray is incident at some other point, let us say here it is incident, then this may be reflected in some other angle. That means this ray 1 is not parallel to ray 2. So in that case you call it as irregular reflection. See here, unlike that, for example, a ray is falling. So here a ray is falling over here, let us suppose. This curve is not proper, so it may be reflected in this manner. That means though the parallel beam is reflecting, so angle of reflections for 1, 2, this is a second ray, this is a third ray. So for second incident ray, this is the second one. For third incident ray, this is the first incident ray, this is the reflected ray. So reflected rays I am just writing in terms of orange shades, and incident rays I am writing in green shades over here. So first ray, second ray and third ray, these are the incident rays. These are parallel. They may be parallel, they may not be parallel. That doesn't matter for us. But only the thing you need to remember is whether the reflected rays are parallel or not. So for the second ray, this is the reflected ray. For the third ray, this is the reflected ray. For the first ray, this is the reflected ray. See here, if at all you consider this I is equal to R, and here also I is equal to R, but the surface is, the normal to the surface is going to be this. This is the normal. That is the reason it is going in some other direction, which may not be parallel to this. So if they are not parallel, then you call it as irregular reflection or diffused. This is also called as diffused reflection. But laws of reflection are valid for all the types of surfaces. That means whether it is can be a smooth surface, it can be a rough surface, or whatever it may be. The laws are valid, but only the thing you need to remember, the reflection can be either regular or irregular. If the reflected rays are parallel to each other as that of the incident rays, then you call it as a regular reflection. If they are not parallel, then it is called as irregular reflection. This is what you need to remember in case of types of reflection.